Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I would like to welcome you to my luxury closet 529. Here in my closet, we talk about handbags, fashion, jewelry, but mostly handbags. In today's video, we may just touch on Taylor Swift a little bit because I'm going to go see Taylor Swift tomorrow. A while back, I sold a bag or two. I think I sold my Louis Vuitton bicolor pochette Matisse and one other, and I purchased concert tickets and a hotel stay down in New Orleans. And so I am road tripping with a group of 6 other ladies, 2 of which are my nieces, and we are headed that way. My house won't be empty though. I'm leaving hubby in charge of the 2 boys. I hope I come back and it's still standing. Today though, I have an exciting double unboxing, and these are items that I'm going to take with me on the trip. So it's not a true unboxing because I had to get them ready to go. I just threw my suitcase in the car. I am dressed in casual clothes, ready to leave, but my items came in this 24S box. It is a Coach and Prada double unboxing. That's kind of an odd combination, but I love Coach and I love Prada, so why not? These were both part of the Fall 20 sale. I'm not sure if it's still going on, but there were certain items that qualified for 20% off, and so that's how I ended up getting these 2 things. What's hilarious is that the Coach bag was just under $400, and that does not qualify for free shipping after I applied that 20% off discount. So of course I had to find something else so that I could get free shipping. And that's how the Prada wallet got added on. And it all worked out in the end. I did sell another card holder and basically replaced it with this one. And I am thrilled about that change. I will link the video down below where I talk about the card holder that I sold and why. So let's get into this box and see what's inside. First, let's do the card holder. So from 24S, you can get other brands besides just Louis Vuitton. Obviously, 24S is a department store, essentially like an online department store owned by LVMH, which is the same parent company that owns Louis Vuitton. So if you live in the United States, you can get past season Louis Vuitton on 24S at a discount. And I've never really noticed other brands like Prada offering any sort of a discount, but I did peruse the items in the Fall 20 sale, and this was included, and it's my favorite kind of card holder. So let's get into it. It came beautifully wrapped, and I love that I got the box with it. And here she is. Isn't she lovely? I've already put a protective sticker on here, and I think I'm going to take this on the trip. I'll show you how the bag is loaded up here in just a minute. So normally I take all the paperwork that goes with each item that I buy that's luxury, and I put it in a little envelope and I write what the item is so that if I ever decide to sell it, I can include the authenticity card, etc. And then I don't always, well, most of the time I do keep the boxes if it's actually from the brand, and this one is, and so I'll keep it, but I'm just going to put it in storage because I think I have one. Yep, I have one right behind me right there on display, and I don't need to have 2 on display. So I'm going to set this aside, and now what you've all been waiting for 4 minutes is the Coach bag. Now 24S does offer free returns and free shipping to you as long as you spend $400, which, like I said, it's kind of hilarious that I bought a wallet just so I could get free shipping, but I love the wallet, so it works out. So here is the Times Square Tabby in black. You can't really find it on sale anywhere, and I got it for 20% off. So it worked out to be around $400 instead of around $500. And this is the size 20. I have it all packed up for our trip to New Orleans. I have 2 iPods cases stacked there. I have my pouch with medicine in it. I have a Louis Vuitton clay, and then the pouch that I normally carry is in the bottom. Then I have the M case and my little makeup pouch side by side here, and I've got some cash in the back. I've done a lot of what's in my bag videos recently, And I just didn't think I wanted to do this goes in this and this goes in this for this particular video. Now I did go ahead and I put the strap on it, the short strap, because I figured my favorite way to carry the Times Square Tabby is with a guitar strap with this strap dangling, because this is not going to ding up the C like a full-on chain strap would. So I played with the C chain, I played with the link strap, and this is my favorite. So let me see what I've got in this little card holder. These are the cards that made the cut to go to New Orleans with me. I've got my Sam's card slipped in right on top. I like to use that for gas because I get 5% cash back. I have my US Bank Cash Plus card. I get 5% back on fast food with that card, so it's nice to have it. I have a US Bank debit card because unlike my local bank, which I tend to use first over US Bank, there are a lot more opportunities to get money out of an ATM with US Bank. And then I've got a Synchrony credit card, a Synchrony Premier, and that one, I like to use that one for most things because I get 2% cash back and it's like immediate. You don't have to wait a month to get it. And then I'm going to stick my driver's license in the center compartment. And this is a little tight because I just haven't used it yet, but I love the fact that it has the 3 slots on each side, and I have 2 items left. I have my health insurance card. I debated about bringing that, but in case I get in an accident or something, and then I've got my AAA card. So I'm going to stick that in there, and then I'll show you all loaded up. Here's the card case. I think I'm going to take it instead of taking the clay. Let's see how it fits. Oh yeah, there's still oodles of room there in the front, and so I have room in the front to put my phone, and I'm filming on my phone, but I've already tested that out. This bag does come with a leather strap. I wish they had made it a little bit thicker. I'm debating about bringing it. I think I'm going to go stick it in my suitcase in the car, but I don't love the thin strap. I wish I still had my Coach black tally bag because the smooth leather on that strap would look amazing with this, or the strap from the Coach Soft Tabby would look great on this. Both of those have smooth leather. And I had the tally in black and I sold it. And it makes me sad that I don't have the strap. I'm okay without the bag, but I wish I had the strap. I have this strap, which looks amazing with my 9-colored Times Square Tabby. And it also has the black trim. So I think it would look nice with this bag. And then this one is the one that I'm the most excited about. It was from the tally bucket bag that I sold. I ended up just selling the bucket bag with the black leather strap and not the guitar strap. And I sold it for a way discounted price because of that. So let's just have a little bit of strap action fun in my closet before I load up to head to New Orleans. Now I have kind of a cat print shirt, and I don't think that this strap matches this outfit the best. Probably the skinny black strap would be the best choice for this outfit, but I do love that this strap has the smooth leather on it. It's definitely my favorite with this bag. Over the years, I have accumulated a lot of Coach parts. So I do have this Rexy strap with chain, which no longer has a Rexy. I don't need to have a dinosaur hanging from my chain, although it is cute. But I was able to swap out the clips for the antique brass. So while this is shiny on the chain and on the little buckle, the clips are actually made out of the same material as the Times Square Tabby's hardware. And so that makes it look better right here. It's sort of a long story how I acquire all these parts and pieces. But let's just say I would buy things and then I would find a way to swap things, and then I would sell things at just like almost next to nothing so that I could get the part I wanted and someone else got part of something that they wanted. So here is option number 2. I'm actually really liking this. Now this one has pebbled leather on it, but it does have a sheen to it, and it does go with my outfit way better than the other guitar strap. A lot of the outfits that I'm planning to wear on this trip would go just fine with the guitar strap, but the one I'm wearing today looks better with this one. I don't know. Is it too much to have the chain with this chain? That's the only thing I'm sort of wondering about. This bag did come with a hang tag, and I removed it because, like I said, I'm getting ready to go. And the hang tag is just too much, in my opinion, to be hanging from the D-ring if you're going to have, you know, 2 straps already. So let's go ahead and try this bag on with the strap it came with. And while it's a thinner strap, I do find it comfortable when I'm wearing a jacket like I am. And so this strap is definitely going to come with me. And I'm going to keep my eye out for a little bit thicker black Coach strap. If I can find one on the pre-loved market, I'm going to snap it up. So this is the best combo in terms of elegance, and I am wearing a few different dresses. I'll try to take mod shots of what I'm wearing while I'm gone and make a video of that and include what I can from the concert. And I can probably do mod shots of what I wear to the concert, but it's going to be hard, I think, to film the actual concert and show you just because of copyright infringement. If I'm making money on YouTube with the video and I'm playing Taylor Swift, I think I could get in trouble, but I will have to research that. And if I can put in a little bit of the show, I will. So for the car ride today, this is the configuration that this bag is going to take, and I'm going to bring this strap with me. Now I'm kind of wondering though if I should bring this strap as well. One thing I forgot to mention is I am getting another strap directly from Coach for this bag, and sadly it does not arrive until tomorrow. I'm sort of hoping it will magically appear in the next 2 hours and I'll be able to bring it with me. But if it doesn't, I'll do a video when I come back and show it to you then. So my outfits that I'm wearing on this trip are mostly all black and white or black and cream. And I think that this one may just be a little bit more neutral. So I'm going to bring it too. So this bag is going to have 3 strap options and 4 if you count the small one. This one just doesn't make the cut. So I'm going to hang it back up. So I think that does it for today. I hope you enjoyed this quick double unboxing. I am delighted to share these pieces with you. I'm going to film one more quick video in this outfit and edit these on the trip down to New Orleans. We are driving and it's quite a haul. And so this weekend, hopefully I'll have some good footage for you, and then next week hopefully I can have some footage from what we did and what we saw in New Orleans, as well as the outfits that I chose to wear. I was very strategic so that I didn't end up bringing too many shoes, too much jewelry. I'm going to wear pretty much the same jewelry and shoes with all the outfits, and my bag is still stuffed to the brim. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. If you haven't found me on Instagram yet, the name there's the same, is the @ then myluxurycloset529. You can DM me there, or you can email me at myluxurycloset529@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.